our 48-inch electric griddle. First off, the overall dimensions. Left to right, we have a length of 47.5 inches, and depth of 27 3/4 inches, height with legs 15 1/4 inches, without the legs 11 1/4 inches. Measurements for the cooktop, we have 47.5 inches in length, by 20.5 inches in depth, by 1 inch thickness. Right below the cooktop will be an area where the axes and debris can fall into this waste tray. The measurements for the waste tray will include 7 3/4 inches in length, by 19 1/4 inches in depth, 2 3/4 inches in height. Waste tray can be removed and inserted back onto the track right beneath the griddle. Coming to the front will be 4 separate operation gauges along with the light indicators. Coming to the left side of the griddle will be the ETL, CSA, and UL information. This griddle will run on either 1 or 3 phase on a 220 voltage plug. For all questions, give us a call or visit our website coolerdepotUSA.com for more information on this part.